Hi guys, so today I will be making the blended cookie mocha. So what we're gonna need is the heavy cream with dark chocolate, heavy cream with white chocolate, along with some whole milk and some cookies. These are Oreo, guys. So I'm gonna make two separate batch, one with white and one with dark chocolate. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of white milk in both. So guys, basically I'm making a cold foam for both. So we're gonna get that thick consistency a little bit. Yeah, right there. Then we're gonna use this cup, line them with both color chocolate right there. Then I'm gonna get my ice right there. Oat milk, because you know I'm lactose, even though that shit don't work for me. Then this is how it's looking right now. Spin that shit, spin that shit. Spin that shit. Then we're gonna go in with our Oreos right there. I love me some Oreos. Then I'm gonna go in with my white chocolate. Guys, this tastes just like cookie and cream. I ain't gonna lie. White chocolate. After adding the white chocolate, adding more cookie. Then I'm gonna put my espresso shot. So you know I'm brewing the espresso right here. Yes, put that shit underneath. Release that shit. Release it. Then I'm just adding my white and dark chocolate to the espresso. Mix that shit. Yeah, guys, we still need it to taste a little sweet. Put that on there. This is how it's looking, guys. You can't tell me shit. Then I'm gonna add my white chocolate along with my dark chocolate on top. And to top of everything, I'm gonna sprinkle this with Oreo. Yes, guys, it's the blended cookie mocha. Love it. That's how it's looking. Clip that shit and drink. Bye, guys.